Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Interview in 3 Steps. Today I am going to teach you the list in Python part 3. In this video I am going to teach you how to add the element to a list. So there are 3 inbuilt methods are available to add the element to a list. The first is append method, second is extend, and the third one is insert method. So now I am going to discuss append method. Elements can be added to a list by using append method. So by using this append method, only one element added at a time. So by using this append method, you can add one element at a time only. Like if you want to add 5 elements, so you have to add one by one. So that is the property of append method. If you want to add multiple elements with the use of append method, that time you can use either a loop or iterator for adding the elements. Okay, so tuples can also be added to the list by using the append method because tuples are immutable. For the discussion of tuple, we will discuss in further videos. List can also be added to the existing list with the use of this append method. So now I am going to give you some examples related to append method. So here what I did, I have created one empty list because we all know that append method will add the elements at the end of the list. So I have created here one empty list. You can create it here non-empty list also. So what is the output? Empty list. So I am adding the element to a list one by one. So L dot append, like I want to add 1, 2, 3. So L dot append 1, L dot append 2, L dot append 3. So what is the output? So here it's empty. So it will go and add to the end. That's why it will become 1, 2, 3. Now second is adding multiple elements to the list by using the append method. So here what we will use? We will use either iterator or range or loop. So for I in range 1, 4, L dot append I. So here I am using this for loop. So we know the function of range. Range will go from the starting to the end minus 1. So if I want to add from 1 to 4, so it will go it will check the index, it will go and it will add one by one. So 1 it will add, 2 it will add, 3 it will add, and after the 4 it will skip because range function will go only to start to end minus 1. So it's also going to add at the end of the list. That's why 1, 2, 3 and it will start from here. So output is 1, 2, 3 and after that 1, 2, 3. So another one is we can add the tuple to a list. So by using this append method we can also add some tuple to a list. So we know that from there we have taken that list. So it will add in the end only. So what is the output? That 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 and it will go and add here 5, 6. So for if you want any video on tuples, then definitely I will make a video on tuple also. The another one is adding list to a existing list. So I am taking one new list, hello world, and this is the L is the existing list. So I am appending, like I am adding the element to this existing list, whatever old list is there, I am appending the another list here. So L dot append this new list and print L. So what is the output? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, then 5, 6 because it will add at the end. So hello world. So note it down. Append method only works for the addition of elements at the end of the list. Now the second method is extend method. So what is the difference between that? So both will add the elements at the end, but extend method is used to add multiple elements at the same time. at the end of the list. So that is the difference between the append and extend. Extend will add all the elements, whatever multiple elements you have given, that at the same time it will add at the end of the list. So if you see the example, I have created one list 1 2 3 4, okay, and I am using extend method here to add the elements at the same time to the existing list. So L dot extend, and that whatever my new list is there, 8 9 hello Python something, so it will add to this all these elements at the same time to this existing list. If you print this, then 1 2 3 4 8 9 hello Python, the output will come. And the third is insert method. Append method and extend method both will add the element at the end of the list, but if you want to add the element at the desired positions, then insert method will used. Insert method requires two arguments. The first one is position and the second is value. So you can see the example. Like I have created one list 1 2 3 4 5, okay. I want to insert on the position of 3, like this is the position, this is the value. So I want to add the position of 3 Manisha, and the position of 0 I want to add Python. So what is the original list? 1 2 3 4 5. I want to add 3 at the position of 3 Manisha. So 0 1 2 3. At the like here I will add Manisha, and for position of 0, like here I will add Python. So what is the output? The 0 position is Python, then after that 1 2 3, and the position 3 the Manisha came, and after that 4 5. For the further topics I will make the video, and if you like my video, kindly like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.